again. Welcome to Albert Trading YouTube channel. So today guys are going to learn how to use RSI as a confirmation, as a confirmation to enter a trade. So today let me take off this RSI. Let me remove it, then I install it again. So you come here to the indicator, then you just write here RSI. So it's this relative strength index. Then you select. Automatically when you select, it comes to your chart. So how do you use this RSI as your confirmation to your entries and exit of a trade? This is what you do. Like RSI, there's two parts. There's overbought and oversold. The overbought, it marks at 70. Oversold is at 30, like you can see. So what does it do? Like you can see here, like there's 30%, mark 30, here there's mark 70. So overbought is like this. Like, do you see something? You see something like here? Let me show you. Here, then there's here, you see the correlation. Like the market at this point, like when I saw it, I saw the market reached up overbought condition. So I used this indicator as my indication to exit the trade. Like the moment I saw that, my target was up here. Let me show you. My target was up here, but the moment I saw the market reaching at overbought, exactly I adjust my TP to there and exit that trade, because market has already signaled me the market is overbought. The sellers need to kick in. Then the sellers kicked in. As you can see, the market tend to move towards the oversold area. Then you can see the sellers kicked in, the market reversed automatically. So this indicator, like, it guides you when to enter and when to exit a trade. Let me give you another example. Like you see here, let me show you this side. Here and here. The market, it's overbought, like you can see. So it automatically tells you that sellers are kicking in. The market is overbought, so the sellers needs to come in. So this is how people use this RSI to make sure they enter and exit the trade. Like you can see in this trade, like in 1 hour chart, the market is in oversold. Also in 4 hours chart, let me show you 4 hours. In 4 hours, you can see what's happening in the market. 4 hours, you can clearly see the market, what the market has been doing. In 4 hours, the market is in oversold. So what we expect in GBP, pound against Swiss franc, we expect it to come, my expectation, like according to my analysis, this is what it will do. It will move, it will buy here, came to retest, then it hits that bullish order block. When it reaches that bullish order block, I expect it to come and retest that support, and then it buys until here. So when it reaches there, sorry, let me lay that. When it reaches there, it will meet a bearish order block. When it meets a bearish order block, that's when I expect it to come and sell. It will meet a resistance here, tend to retest. After retesting, expect it to come down. So that's my anticipation for for Monday. Not Monday necessarily, for the whole of next week. The market will tend to do that when it comes to pound CFH. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Sorry, see you next time in another video, as we can see and analyze market together. Remember guys, I said the RSI is being used as a confirmation when to enter a trade and when to exit. Okay guys. Guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share the video. Thank you for the support what you have been doing to me, and I'll continue sharing more content